we have to go for the online test, and that test I will show you the screen. I will share the screen in front of you people. You have to see the test and you have to solve that test as well. And before this you have to keep one register and one pen with yourself, so that you can write down the answers in your registers, because you have to submit the answers of this exercise or this test in on the LMS website. That's why it is necessary that whatever I am showing you here, you have to note down each and everything. You have to note down your answers of the test as well, so that you can easily submit your answers on the LMS website. The reason is that I want to see your grip. I want to see that how much you remember the previous topics that we have discussed, and in this way it will be your practice as well. And another thing is that when you will solve this type of the these type of the exercises, I will give you the grading marks as well. If you are not taking good marks in your final paper, for example, if you are taking 55 marks in the final paper, and in the 55 marks your grade will be like C grade, then I will give you the grading marks by looking at your previous works and previous approaches and your previous participation within the class. So you have to be very careful, and you have to submit your answers of all these exercises, and whatever the task I am giving you, you have to submit all these things on the LMS website. So I'm going to share the screen in front of you people, and that so that you can see that test, and you have to solve that exercise as well. I will explain each and everything there. Even I will read out the different type of the sentences that are given there. Then I will ask from you people to write down the answer of this question, or the answer of this particular sentence. Then you have to note down the answer of that particular sentence in your register. So this is the exercise. In this exercise, your topic of the subject verb agreement is discussed here. This exercise is totally related to the topic of the subject verb agreement, and you have to choose, the options are given here in the brackets. You have to choose the correct one option from these two given options, that which option is the correct one that will be used for that particular sentence. You have to see the nature of the sentence. You have to see that either you can use, or you can go for the nature of the sentence is in the singular form, or the nature of the sentence is in the plural form. You have to see each and everything whenever you are going to note the answer of that particular sentence. So you have to write down the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject. So note down the answers of these questions and the sentences. I am going to read out the each one sentence separately. So number one sentence is Annie and her brothers. Now in the bracket two options are given, the two verbs are given here, is and are. You have to select any one of the verbs from these two given verbs, that which one is the correct verb from these two verbs. Either you can go for the is, or you have to select the word are here at school. Annie and her brothers is or are at school. Please note down the answer and write down the answer in your registers. Annie and her brothers is or are at school. Second sentence is either my mother or my father. Now again in the bracket, two verbs are given, is, comma, are coming to the meeting. What will you use here? Which verb is correct here? Either, is, or are. Please write down these verbs in your registers, because you have to submit the answer key on the LMS website. Whatever you are writing there, whatever your questions, whatever your answers for these questions or you have to submit all of those answers on LMS website. You can take the picture of that particular page from your register, and then you can go for the LMS website and attach there. And another way is also there, that you can go for the MS Word Office or the MS Word on MS Word, and there you can write down your answer key, and then you can submit your file of that particular file of this particular exercise on the LMS website. In the 15th week on the LMS website, you have to submit your this task on the in the 15th week on the LMS website. I will again keep the this assignment, this exercise as an assignment in your 15th week. Then you have to submit your answers there in the 15th week. The third one sentence is, the dog or the cats is are outside. Fourth one sentence is, either my shoes or your coat is are always on the floor. Please check the subject's nature, then go for the verb and see either the nature of the verb agrees with the subject or not, or the nature of the subject agrees with the verb or not. You have to see both of these things before solving this exercise, before writing the answers of these questions. Fifth one sentence is, George and Tamara doesn't or don't want to see that movie. See the subjects here. Plural names are given here in the subjects. George and Tamara, two names are given here. You can recall your previous memory. You can go for the present simple as well, because this sentence is related to the present simple and its rules. Maybe you can remember, that the rules, that where do we use the does and do. So according to those rules, you have to use doesn't and don't here. Sixth one sentence is, Benito doesn't or don't know the answer. Again, here in the sixth sentence, we have the singular subject here. But this singular subject again shows the present simple here. If you can recall your previous memory and go for the previous lectures, then you can see that what type of the verb should be used here. Either does or don't, doesn't or don't. Seventh one sentence, that is, one of my sisters is are going to a trip to France. Eighth one sentence, the man with all the birds. In the bracket, it is written live or lives on my street. Ninth number sentence, the movie including all the previews takes about 2 hours to watch. Tenth number sentence, the players as well as the captain wants to win. 11th number sentence, either answer is or are acceptable. 12th number sentence, every one of those books is our fiction. Please note down the answers of all these questions in your registers. 13th number sentence. Nobody know or knows the trouble I have seen. 14 number sentence. Is are the news on at 5 or 6? This is a interrogative type of the sentence. 15th sentence, that is mathematics is our Johan's favorite subject while civics is our Andrea's favorite subject. See the nature of the subjects here, mathematics and civics. I told you in the subject verb agreement rules that there are many words in our life that seem as plural, but actually they are in the singular meaning. They are used in plural form, but they contain the singular meanings. So you have to remember and you can recall your previous memory and you can recall all of those rules and regulations, that how do we use the different type of the subjects and the verb whenever we come across different type of the subjects and the verb in the different type of the sentences. 16th number sentence, $8 is the price of a movie these days. 17th number sentence is the tweezers in this drawer. 18th number sentence, your pants is are at the cleaners. 19th number sentence, there was or were 15 candies in that bag. Now there is are only one left. 20th number sentence, the committee debates or debate these questions carefully. Now we have remaining 3 sentences. 21 number sentence, that is the committee members leads or lead very different lives in private. 22 sentence, the prime minister together with his wife greets the press cordially. After that, we have the last one sentence, that is all of the CDs, even the scratched one, is are in this case. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes so that you can again see this exercise, and you can complete your questions if you have lapped any one of these. You can check your answers again. See the exercise, see these sentences again, and read out these sentences. If you feel any difficulty, then go at the back and again see the answers and see all of these subjects and their agreement with the verb. So hopefully you have done this exercise, and you have finished the exercise, and you have finished to write the answers after these questions. Now we have to move forward. Again, I'm going to share the screen here. I want to show you another thing that is related to your assignment. See this section and this portion on the LMS website where I have received your assignment. From your B group, I have received just 2 assignments. There are 2 students. The roll number of the number 1 student is 124, another one is 102. I have received the assignments of these 2 students in B group. While in the A group, again I'm showing you that how many assignments I have received till today. So 3 assignments. In A group, 3 students have submitted their assignment. 89, roll number 89, roll number 69, and roll number 115. These students have uploaded their assignments on the LMS website. So total, I have received 5 assignments in both of these groups. See, you have just 3 days left for submitting your assignment. You know that 15 July is the last date for your assignment submission. If you are not going to submit your assignment, then I will not give you any leniency. Even I will not extend the date for the submission of assignment, because I have given you the time period more than 1 month. So it is the enough time. So try to submit your assignments now in this week. If I'm going to receive your assignment, then I will show you here in your class that which students have submitted their assignment and how many students have submitted their assignment. You have to upload your assignments here on LMS websites. If you are sending me the assignments on my Gmail, and in the Gmail, you have to submit the assignment in MS Word. While in the case of the LMS website, you have to submit the assignment in the PDF format, not in the MS Word. It will not accept your this type of the assignment.